Alright, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Taking a ride out to Santa Monica, as it's... Wait, hold on, I gotta go back to my map. As the title says, I'm gonna stop at MV Augusta. There's some bikes that I'm interested in taking a look at. Okay, don't hit me. Jeez. The Rush and the other one I can't remember the name of. I'm interested, but it's also a $50,000 bike. Are those motorcycles worth $50,000? What do you guys think? So I've never been to the shop before, and it's going to be a quick one because I gotta get back home. Pick up the wife. We're gonna go to an Angel City soccer game. I have season tickets. It's my first year having them. I don't know. It's not the same as the men's. I have LAFC tickets also, and it's just not the same as the men. So it's just gonna be 1 year of having these seats. So this guy doesn't want to let me through. See what these bikes are about. MV Augusta, the Rush, the black and red one. Hopefully it's open. I think it's open. But when I do get a bike, I do want to get a kind of a unique type, because I got the Pirelli R660 in that acid gold color, which is kind of unique. Everyone doesn't have that one. I got the Ducati V4 SP, which is somewhat unique. Not too many people have them. Oh, there it is. It's the okay. It's the old the MV Augusta is the old Aprilia shop. That's where the Aprilia shop was there before they moved. So if I would have known that, I'd have came through the other way. It's all good. There we go. You turn this big old BMW. Alright, you're gonna stay, you're not gonna hit me, right? There we go. I'll go up in front here. I don't think I'm going to be able to stand this bike here. Yeah. I'll try. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera off, and then I'll use my phone to take pictures. Excuse me. All right, everyone. Yeah, that bike was absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, the MV Augusta Rush. It actually is the same one that IMK has, except it's a year later, and IMK's a little bit, the color is different. I think his is gold and black. I don't know, $50,000, is it worth it? It's definitely a beautiful bike. It's a head turner. I think that thing can get up to 200 miles an hour. You know, It's got carbon fiber everywhere. The only thing is it doesn't have carbon fiber wheels. Which, I don't know if that's a big deal or not. I don't know if that's a deal buster, deal breaker. But yeah, I'm gonna think about it. Yeah. The way I feel about motorcycles, I mean, the equivalent of that type of bike is like if you're gonna buy an exotic car, it's like a $300,000 to $400,000 car, like a Porsche GT3 or a. I'm not the biggest expert on cars. Maybe for a Ferrari, and you're only paying $50,000 for it. So for a motorcycle, for the equivalent, that's kind of the way I look at it. Dang, I wanted to come down here and show you guys Santa Monica, but look at this traffic. Dang, there is no traffic coming down here. The PCH near Santa Monica is probably the hardest place to lane split because the lanes are so small. But you see a lot of people are moving over for me, which is nice. So I'm not going to stay down here long. Like I said, I got to get back home, but I am going to show you guys a little bit of Santa Monica, which I showed you guys before in some other previous videos. So you guys, it's just not a good, it's not a good time to come out here. Everybody's trying to find the cool area, which is down here where I live. It's supposed to be, I don't know if today it's supposed to be 100 degrees, but yesterday was 106. That was crazy. I think today it's supposed to be high 90s. That's the beach right there at Santa Monica. First chance I get, I think I'm gonna cross so I can just go over there and just kind of rest a little bit, chill at the beach before I head on out. Is this guy coming? This BMW. One of the things I love about this motorcycle is that loud horn that I have. Yeah, that was my horn. Yeah. I don't understand these motorcycles that have these beep 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 beep. These little weak horns. Like what? No one's gonna hear you, and if they do hear you, that does not warn them or scare them or anything like that. So they're all trying to turn here. That's why it's all messed up. Everybody's trying to get to that part of the beach. Maybe something's going on, volleyball tournament or ESPN, or this is just the beach that everybody just wants to go to, I guess. There's another turning. So let me give you a little bit of advice if you are trying to come out to Santa Monica. What I would do is, I think the parking lot's open pretty early, like 2 a.m. or something like that, or 5 a.m. or just come out here real early, chill in the parking lot. Some of them, and maybe not even the parking lots, but the street parking. So this on the street, because then you could just you will already be out here. Then when those parking lots open that you want to go to, like the one we just passed, you'd be the first in line. That's what I would do. I have not done that yet, but that's definitely what I would do. So if you see my previous videos, I used to go this way quite a bit when my daughter, she used to go to Pepperdine University. She just graduated, and I used to ride my bike sometimes up there to go see her games, which it's always better to ride your motorcycle than be in this traffic in your car or your truck. 4 wheels, basically. So, you know, it's not the easiest to lane split on the BMW as it is, you know, the sports bikes. But it's wide, but it's not too wide, you know what I'm saying? It's you could definitely lane split, but on small lanes like this, it's sometimes pretty difficult. Even on my Ducati, I've been trying to lane split out here and hit someone's side mirror. I think I might have a video on that too. But yeah, I think the next turn out, because there's no point in doing all this traffic. Why is this person way back here? Is that a Ducati? What is that? Shit, I have no idea. I'm not sure why he slowed up. Oh, love the beach. Wait a minute, can I turn in here? Oh, the other problem is I might not be able to turn in because it might be charging. Yeah, oh, that's right. Forgot about that. I don't know. There's some spots where I can get in. There won't be any parking. Like right there. How do I get in there? Look at all that parking. So I guess, this cop. I guess, yeah, I think they're going to charge me. Yeah, I think they'll charge me if I go in there. Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm going to fit through here. Ooh. Cop taking radar. Oh man, look at the traffic going back. Make a left here, I can. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, see the street parking, that's what I'm talking about. So if you get here early, you get some street parking. There's too many cars out here today. If I can turn around, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just pull over right there. When I was back there, I should have just turned around right there. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn around right here. so beautiful out here. And